Hi friends, welcome back to 123 of Crafting. Today we are going to learn comb quilling technique 2. If you want to learn technique 1, I'll add the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to 123 of Crafting. So let's get started. For this we'll need the following materials. Here I'm taking 1.5 strip of pink color. The length of my each strip is 11 inches. Now let's join both the strips together. For the center of the petal, I am going to use half strip of black color. Make a loose coil and give it a teardrop shape. Now here I am using a metal dog comb, but you can use a normal comb or a quilling comb. Pass the strip from 3 slots and glue it. Press it properly and make sure that it is glued properly. Now continue following the pattern. You can apply glue every time you pass through the slot. I am avoiding it because I don't like gluing my strips. Here I have made 5 loops on each side. Now glue the end and do not cut the strip. Gently take it out. You can see all my coils are loose because I haven't applied glue. Now with the help of tweezer, fold it. You can wrap it and make it a pattern, but here we are adding a teardrop pattern. Now secure it with the help of a glue. Here I am using another half strip of black color to wrap it around. You can use pink strip too. Now for the center of the flower, I am using 2 pink and 1 black strip. I'll make a tight coil and give it a dome shape. Fill it with glue to maintain its shape and put it on the top of the petals. Do not press it. For the leaves, I am taking 1 light green and 1 dark green strip and making a loose coil. Glue the end and give it a Marquise double curved end shape. Here I am taking a piece of yellow paper and I have stamped the words and I have cut the borders with the help of the decorative scissors. I am brushing the sides of the card with the help of a makeup sponge and an ink pad. Now let's assemble the card. Here I am using 2 flowers, one which has a center teardrop and one without it. I hope you like my today's project, and if you like, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to 123 of Crafting. Thank you.